Okay, y'all, and this is the hair. I think it looks really, really pretty. I like when Yaki hair doesn't look like baby doll hair. Like, it just looks like a nice textured unit, and I like that. But look how pretty, shiny. That's why it's so important to use the serum, the heat protected serum, because it gives it a nice shine, but it's not heavy. It just looks really, really pretty. And this is where it falls on me, and I love that. Like, it looks so good. Look how pretty this is. Look at the shine. So pretty. So we have some nice little curls if you wanted to wear this hair curl. This side look better because this is my better side. That's pretty. Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit, and I just have these hairs out because I'm gonna do a few of my baby hairs. Here is the lace in the front. I love the way that it looks, but I am going to cut just a little bit of hairs out. So I just like to do it like this. Just a little something, nothing major. Okay, so that is how it looks. This is a 7x5 Yaki unit. This unit is a unit that can be worn glueless. I showed you guys the strap that they have that pulls the edges of the unit down so you can adjust how tight or how loose you want it. It also comes with the drawstring. Y'all know how that works. And I just tuck mine under, and this is the hair, this is the color. Really cute. I love it. It's really long on me. Let me show y'all. This is where it falls on me. So what we're gonna do now is just go ahead. Uh-oh, hair is stuck on my lipstick. So what we're gonna do now is just flat iron it. This unit is very simple. Love it, super easy. You know, the Yaki is supposed to mimic our natural hair. So I love a nice Yaki unit. I like to use a heat protected serum on my Yaki hair because it gives it a nice shine. And we're just gonna flat iron it. Do we want to see if it curls? Let's try it. Okay, y'all, we have the curls in, and let's see what happens. There you go, really pretty curl. I've been seeing that little electric hot curler that you just put the hair in and it curls it for you. I want one of those so bad, but it definitely curled the hair. Now this side, I didn't curl the side good, but the curl is still there. Because I know y'all tell me to curl backwards, but for some reason on this side, I can't really do that. But let's pull the curls out. Oh, so cute. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.